Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for this morning, I think it's gonna be more of a laid back video. Just gonna show you what's going on with the birds. So you know it's morning time, so it's feeding time. So as you can see, guys, I spray paint this part here in the middle. I really hate seeing the messes on it. No matter how I scrape it, it always remains messy. Funny enough, I sprayed it this morning and you can already see messes on it already. So what I think for the future, I'm gonna get some type of mats and just cover it, like whenever I'm doing a video, I'll just cover it and then remove the mats after. I think that would be better. But the thing is, I just want to present the birds in the best way possible. And I think that would help. This one featherfoot seems to be growing out even more, guys. Oops. Come here. I'm trying to hold him properly. Look at this, guys. Come on, spread out. There he goes. I'll soon get a look at him. Inside. Got the featherfoot on the frills, guys. Featherfoots are coming in. And this one here, its tail is growing back so nicely. That looks really good. With the powder in the background there. And that other beautiful one over there. You can see the birds are molting. Where's that one that, oh, it went back over there already. So strangely enough, guys, like these frills has been in box more than a week now. I haven't seen them laid. There's another one down here that is always in this box too, and she haven't laid us yet. I don't know what's going on. Maybe they're taking a break from laying, or it's coming to the end of breeding season or something. I don't know. But that's what I've seen with majority of the birds. They are in the nest, but they haven't laid. Sorry about that. The fumes from the spray Still lingers a bit in the coop, I think. Look at this one, guys. It still is so massive and broad and have multicolors in it. These guys are a bit wilder than the others. Even this end down there, she's constantly in the nest, but haven't laid us yet. And funny enough, guys, they have completely, like, that's the father over there, that one. He has completely fought his son and take over that box completely. So that makes me wonder if there was some fighting that ended up killing the two chicks that was in the nest before. I know they usually fight, but since I put the nest box in the middle, I thought the fighting stopped, but that's a possibility. Let's see what's going on here. Feel this bird, if she's okay. Sometimes when you see them like in a corner, you gotta check on them and ensure that they're okay. I like this thread. That's a really nice color. And some good quality feather foot too. That's what I'm noticing with the frills. This one's a really nice one. Both of them. Really nice color. So, I don't know if I mentioned before, but I think this week is just gonna be more of a laid back video. You know? Those girls look very nice. On my previous video, someone was asking when I'm gonna build the other cob. It's the time, guys. I don't have the time as yet. I'm hoping by next weekend that will be something that I'm working on. I have a drawing that I'm doing now and it's really taking up much of my time. Trying my best to get it finished as soon as possible, but it's something that takes time. So I have to get that out the way first before I can focus on doing the extension. I was showing you guys this guy right here. Come on. Look at that, guys. Come on, why don't you feed? Yeah, like that. That's very beautiful. Hey, leave him alone. Let me get a look at it. Leave him alone. Come on. Stay. Look at that, guys. That's pretty. So, give you a look at the chicks. They keep jumping out of the nest these days. Let me go back outside, can get some natural light to come in. Yeah, that's better. So these are the chicks, guys. from the yellow and the tail mark in. They're definitely gonna have some good feather foot. Look at this, guys. See that thick flesh right there? That's what tell you gonna have some massive feather foot. That thick flesh that you see beside the feet right there. So don't look at these as yet. These are just coming. These are just coming. This is really good. Really nice feather foot. I can't wait to see another set of chicks out of them. As you know, I really want to put the yellow with the champagne in, which is also his mom. But to achieve what I want in terms of color, that's something I'm going to do. And I think that's going to give me the colors that I really want. Come on, go back down here. That's a beautiful color right there. Look at that glistening black. Very nice. And that's how they feed the chicks. That one in the box. Get out there. Come on. I'm surprised these hasn't gone back to nest as yet. The red pair. Maybe it's because the chicks keep messing with them. But normally they would be back on egg already. Based on the size of the chicks now. Yeah. This one I always get nervous when I get close to her. If you guys remember this one, it didn't have so many colors in it when it was younger. Like, you used to barely see the colors, but the colors are coming in more and more. I'm really gonna watch her to see how she will be when she molt and the colors fully come in. Okay, let's touch on some other stuff. So honestly, this weekend, guys, at one point I was thinking like, I don't even feel like making a video this weekend. Reason being, all of the eggs that I had before, all of the eggs end up spoiled. Only the pouter eggs are over here now. And I'm hoping that I'll get something out of them. There are there 2 eggs. I think that it may have something to do with the heat. Like a couple weeks, like not even a couple weeks, like a couple days back, maybe like a week or back or so. We get some days that was like extremely hot. It's a bit messy in here. I haven't cleaned over here as yet because I had to make the video. So I ensure that they have the water, they still have some feeding and stuff. So when I'm finished with the video now, I'll put the video to upload and then come back and finish with the cleaning and feeding. So these guys feather foot are starting to come back in. It's not really the best view of them now, but it looks very beautiful when they're. Let me see if I can get a better view of them. And these guys are big. I think they could compete with a chicken. Look at that, guys. This is how a pouter is supposed to look. The feather foot's supposed to look like this. This is beautiful. And as you can see, they're just growing back. And look how big they are. I can't sponge it. can't even spawn the powder. That's a male over there, that one. Let me see if I can get it. Look at that. Come on, let me see them. There you go. And again, look at the size of him, and he's so fat. I really like them. So I'm hoping that I'll get something out of the pouters. But as I say, guys, I think it's the heat. We have been getting some days that are really hot. Up here, these guys, their egg wasn't fertile originally. These guys had one fertile egg. These guys had two fertile eggs. And nothing. All the eggs end up spoiled before they reach the stage of hatching. But guys, such is life. We can't control what the outcome of things are gonna be. We can just hope for the best. And the greatest thing, the birds are back on it already. They're already threading and so forth. I made sure I did my due diligence and trim up their backside. As you can see right there, all the birds are trimmed. That will help to ensure that they have fertile eggs. All of them is trimmed. So I'm hoping that when they lay back I can actually get some results. I realized I didn't show this chick in the last video that I made. Remember the other one that was with it actually died. But this one now seems to be okay and is actually flourishing. Nice little grey sago. Well, it looks like a sago to me, but it has some other colors on it too. You can see there. Normally a sago only have color on its wing. So I guess it's coming from a breed that makes it sago. Come here. Come here. Come on, stay. Kind of an awkward position that he's in. Come on. Alright, come, go back. Go back inside. Come out of the cage. And put you back in. These guys too are already threading and stuff. Only a matter of time before they lay back again. Same thing over here. As I say, guys, I lost all those eggs. These guys, I don't think the egg was fertile. So that's why I had to trim up all of them. Down here, they had one fertile egg, but it ended up spoiled. But they're back at it already. They haven't laid as yet, they're just threading now and taking back nests. These guys too, I think their egg wasn't fertile. It wasn't fertile. Like, surprisingly, I didn't know that Chinese all had so much of a thick feather behind them. One at the back section. So what I had to do was actually trim up that pair. Yeah, actually trim up their behind to help with the fertilization of the eggs. The eggs were okay, they were perfect, but they just weren't fertile. So hopefully the next time now I can see some results from them. So guys, this is actually the first something like this has ever happened in my cub, where all the eggs, literally all the eggs, end up spoiled just before they hatch. Even these guys' egg I found one egg in the nest. Let me reach over there and you can actually see in the nest. Yeah, I should have done this from the other day. I took out the egg that is in there, but there was one egg, so I was wondering if there was another egg in the nest. Doesn't look that way. Also, I took out the chicks out of here, put them in the big part. That way now they'll be able to tread more successfully. I really want to see some results out of these guys. Like all the birds, based on how they appeared, I really want to see what they will produce. But we just gotta wait and go again. Around here, oh, I was gonna let you guys out. My little trouble. Good morning. Hello. Hello. Can we have peace this morning? Ow, ow, ow. So I've switched them. Even these guys egg, like, come on. These guys was on 2 eggs that look so beautiful. The last video that I made when I was out here, and you saw the red run into the cage right there, and there was a little bit of fighting. I reached in there so quickly, I didn't think anything went wrong. But later that day, I found out that one of their eggs actually got smashed. I don't know how comes. Maybe it's the end react to the next one came in there or something. And you know this war boat as usual. But one of the eggs got smashed, and that smash that he got, that liquid from that egg went on the other egg. During the day I was noticing that it wasn't going on the nest. Morning. Yeah, sorry about that. So I noticed that the egg was smashed and the liquid from one went on the other one and I think it ended up spoiled the egg. I took it out and put it in this nest because this one had a nest over here. Her one egg that was fertile actually spoiled too, so let us have a egg end up spoiled. There's no way that can be a common issue where it has to be the heat. That's the only thing I can think of. This one tail is growing back nicely right now. So I want them to drop another set, but really I want to put him with the champagne one right here. I think I'll get colors that I really want. I want to achieve the champagnes and I want to achieve some yellows. So I think when I do that, I will be closer to achieving that. I also put this pair over here because this one has a much bigger tail, and with a bit more space it will be a bit easier for them to tread. So that's the whole reason I actually switched them. Come on, come on. Now I want to see a pair from them too. So that's why I haven't switched them right now. I could do it, but I don't want to do it as yet. I want to see another pair from these two. And I want to see a pair from this pair right here. Then I'm going to switch them. I'm not going to put the N with him though. This N is going to go with the well featherfoot one that you see around here, that white one. That is normally right here. That's the one I'm going to put that N with because that white one that is around there actually has a tail mark in its breed. It's coming from a tail mark here. And I think that will actually help me to produce some tail marks. So that's the plan right there, guys. Down here, this pair isn't going on with anything. At one point the hen was over there laying down like she's gonna lay, but she haven't laid. I just really want to get them out of here. But as you can see over there is full. If I put them over there, it's just gonna be a lot of fighting because they were paired with other ones over there before. Similar to this pair right here. He looks like that because he's changing feather. Majority of the birds are changing feather right now. So there's nothing wrong with him. It's just that he's changing feathers, okay? And here is another here. I'm really glad that this pair is actually laid back, guys. A ray of hope. And this time she has laid 2 eggs. Remember the last time she laid over here? It was only 1 egg. Now she's on 2 eggs. So that's really good. So in all my loaf right now, there's literally only 4 eggs. That's strange. That's so strange. With so many breeding birds and I only have 4 eggs. But I know even if by next weekend, by the other week, all these birds would lay again. I know that for sure. As you can see, some of them is already taking nests. See that hen right there? See that hen right there? So I know it won't be long. It won't be long before they lay again. All of them is actually taking back nests. But as I said, guys, it was kind of sad to really see that all the eggs end up spoiled. Every single egg, not one chick to show from those batch of eggs. But that's the thing, guys. Just gotta go again. And this is the one right here that I'm saying I'm gonna put with the tail mark hen. Yeah, that's definitely the plan. So that's it for this week, guys. That's it for this week. And I'll catch you guys next week with another update. Hope you have a great day.